Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss parse trees or derivation trees, or another name is syntax tree. What is the parse tree? Simply consider a context-free grammar. From the given grammar, generally we are generating the strings. The process of generating the strings is represented by using a tree format. Then that is called parse tree. That means we are constructing the parse trees similar to string derivation, that is by using either leftmost derivation or rightmost derivation. We are using any procedure. Now consider an example. E tends to E plus E into E, ID. This is the given context free grammar. For example, a string ID plus ID into ID. Okay, this is the string. Whether the grammar is ambiguous grammar or not, whatever it is, simply consider the string. Now, I will write down E is the starting. E is the starting production. From E, we can move to any of these three. To generate the string, which one is preferred, we will move to that one. E plus E. Suppose I am moving into E plus E. Okay. Now, suppose if you are using leftmost derivation, I am replacing this E with ID. In the next iteration, plus is a terminal, no need to modify. This E is replaced with E into E. In the next iteration, this is replaced with ID. This is replaced with ID. Now, what is the grammar? How to generate? Simply follow this one. Okay, ID plus ID into ID. Or you can use, this is the leftmost derivation, or you can use rightmost derivation also. That is not a problem. We can use rightmost derivation also. For example, first this one. First to replace this E with ID star. In the next iteration, I am replacing this one with E plus E. In the next iteration, I am replacing this E. The next iteration, I am replacing this ID. Now, what is the grammar? This is the grammar. This is the string, and this is the parse tree. Now, consider one big example. S tends to A, A, A tends to A, AB, A, RB. Consider the string. What is the string? B, A, B, A. Now, compulsory we have to begin from start symbol S. Which one you have to consider? Consider either triple A or double A. Whatever it is, there is no problem. Simply, how do we check? Simply, we have this string contains 5 letters based on this. Suppose if I am considering triple A, A, A. Now, this A is replaced with B. Is there any possibility? Yes. This A is replaced with B. So, this A is replaced with B. Now, this A is replaced with A. Yes, no problem. Suppose in the previous case, instead of triple A, if you are taking double A, then what to do? Again, this A is replaced with these two A's. So, there is no problem. If you can use either first one or second one, no problem. Now, this A is replaced with only 2 letters are completed. We have 3 more characters are present. So starts with A. That is the reason I am replacing with this one. A. Now B, A completed. What is the next one? The next one is B. If you stop with B, then what happens? A is missing. But in this process, there is no letter that starts with B. Only this one. That is the reason I am writing A to AA. A to AA. This is replaced with B. This is replaced with A. Observe B, A, B, A. This is the parse tree. for the given grammar, parse tree or derivation tree or syntax tree for the given grammar. Thank you.